I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today, guess what? We have another box from Richard, RTHOC71. I believe this is box number 8. And it is a very heavy one.
Yes, it is.
It's not as large as some that he has sent us, but boy, it makes up for it in weight. So thank you so much, Richard, for another one of your kind boxes. So we look forward to seeing what's in here. Let's go ahead and start unwrapping this.
Ready.
All right, so we have unwrapped it, and I know Richard was a little bit worried about customs going through it. It looked like it had stopped in UK customs for quite a while, and like they're examining it, but I don't know. That was a lot of layers. They would have had to do a lot of rewrapping, so I don't know that they did.
Here we go.
All right.
Oh my, this is a lot. Richard, your packing is impeccable.
Yeah. All right. First off, we see Milka Caramello. I don't know if I've seen this flavor because we do see Milka, but I don't recall this flavor.
How about this? Milka Confetti. Looks very festive.
That was kind of cute that they have just like little, it reminds me of little M&Ms.
Yeah.
Inside the Milka bar.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Sounds good.
And I see Foxes, Viennese, double swirls. So Seville orange Viennese biscuits. That looks
It's
good.
really good.
Orange flavored cream and Seville orange jam. Okay, so it's jam and cream. Sounds very interesting. Definitely something we haven't seen before.
Curious to try that. Yeah, there's a variety here of Ritter Sport. I'm looking at.
I can't get over how many different flavors that Ritter Sport has.
And
Crispy coffee.
Crispy coffee. Yeah, have you tried this before, Tim?
No.
Okay.
We've tried Ritter Sport, but only a few flavors, I think.
Yeah, I have not tried this one before.
And Richard has sent us other Ritter Sport flavors, which we have not tried yet. So I don't know if we're going to have one great big Ritter Sport tasting or if we might have too many. We have to break it up into more than one video. Yeah. And here's another one with a cactus on it. Salted caramel. And a raccoon. I like the packaging on that one. Interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another Ritter Sport, caramelized almonds. So, another one I haven't tried. You haven't tried it?
No, I don't recognize that one either.
Yeah, sounds good. This one might have a fox on it.
Does it?
No.
Yeah, so we got a raccoon, a fox. Did the other one have anything? No.
Coffee cup.
And we have McVitie's Tasties coconut rings. Oh, that's for you, Ross.
Oh.
Ross loves coconut. So.
Is it just me? Does this seem extra large?
It does seem extra long compared to the other McVitie's products we've seen.
Thank you. You know I love coconut.
Yeah. So what's next? Thornton's Mint Krispy Kremes. And I think he sent us something else from Thornton's?
Yes.
In another box. I don't remember the flavor, but is it another possible pairing we can do?
I'm just blown away at what I'm looking at here because...
Huge bars of chocolate, it looks like.
Yeah. I'm just blown away, Richard. These are very large. Here's a
Milka
Max
bubbly caramel.
Yeah, I know we've tried Milka products before, but I don't believe we've tried this one.
No, I don't think so.
But bubbly. The bubbly line of products? that sounds interesting. I'm assuming, is that like a cookie?
I'm thinking it's the aerated chocolate.
Aerated chocolate.
I think it's aerated chocolate, yeah.
My bad. Okay.
Because in fact, we were at Cost Plus World Market today, and we saw a huge Milka bar. Not that one. It was something with a bunch of chocolate. It may have been the Max one, and yeah, with that, every time you see sale, that looks really good.
was like chocolate with a chocolate biscuit.
Yeah, it's like chocolate and more chocolate. Yeah.
Chocolate overload.
And we
Speaking of chocolate overload.
And we have another giant bar, this time from Cadbury Dairy Milk Winter Orange Crisp Limited Edition. See that up there in the corner? Yeah, this is like, the size of my head. Bigger than the size of my head. So, some more interesting orange flavor. And crisp. So that'll be good.
It's the size of a headstone. Grab another very large Milka.
Let's see what flavor this is.
You're going to love this.
Ooh, whole hazelnut.
Milka Max whole hazelnut. We both love hazelnut.
Mm-hmm.
Just feel that. Feel it.
Yeah.
Feel it.
I'm trying to remember if I've had a Milka whole hazelnut. It was definitely not that size. I'll tell you that. It was not the Max. It was just like a regular size bar. I think I've had the hazelnut cream as well as the whole hazelnut.
I'm 99% sure you did, because I remember what time it was. I believe Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's right.
You went on Amazon and you got me a set of Milka bars. Nice variety pack. I think they were like 10.
Yeah, I couldn't choose, and it was just random. I had to hope that they sent us a good variety, and they did.
Yeah. Could have been 10 horrible. I can't picture Milka having horrible varieties or flavors, but I do remember there was whole hazelnut.
Yeah. It was good.
Yep. Yes, it was.
Oh, after 8, delightfully minty dark chocolate bites. And we just filmed our after 8 video.
With the cherry and orange.
We would have included these had we known, but those look good.
Those do look good. Something about dark chocolate and mint.
Oh my gosh.
What?
What's this right here?
Is that a corgi?
It's a corgi.
Wearing a sweater. In a sweater with antlers.
That is too cute. So these look like they're just a little bit different. They're a bit taller.
Maybe like
looks like more like a square, not like the flat like they usually come in. So that'll be interesting to compare.
It's all about the corgi with you.
I know. I just all of a sudden it's like, wait a minute, that's a corgi on there.
Do love corgis. Okay, here we go with another very large Milka Max Choco Biscuit. This looks very much like what we were just talking about, that thick chocolate bar.
Except it was everything was chocolate in it, yeah.
Yeah. This looks fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, can't wait to try it.
And what have we got here? Weddell, or Weddell, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Dark chocolate with cherry filling. Okay. Yeah, this is a new one for us. I don't recognize the brand. It says since 1851. Yeah, that looks good.
It does look good.
Curious to try that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think we've tried anything from that.
No, I don't recognize it. Yeah.
Okay. I believe this might be the last of the Milka Max.
Oreo.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm sorry. That looks fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Milka Oreo. Milka Max Oreo.
All right. Looks like we have another chocolate bar by this company. This is, for you again, dark coconut.
Thank you. Okay. The same company, but this time it is milk strawberry.
Lots of different fruit flavors with that one. Cherry, strawberry, and coconut.
Yeah. And as you pointed out, we're at Cost Plus World Market today. And we did see some great candy. I don't think we've ever seen this particular brand before.
Yeah, I don't recall that one.
Yeah, just curious to try it.
And I did know that we were getting more Jammy Dodgers coming, so I think we're complete now. We can start a Jammy Dodger review. We're going to try all the flavors that Richard has sent us. This is magical strawberry. with the little unicorn in the corner here. Unicorn edition. No nasty stuff, just magic. How fun is that? Now, it looks like looks like the biscuit itself has a unicorn. Is that a unicorn butt?
That might.
We'll find out when we get into those.
Yeah, may I see this, please? Thank you. What do you think? Is this a unicorn rear end? I'm sure it's fantastic. Thank you. Okay. I believe you are going to love this, Tina. This is Waitrose. Generously coated 8 dark chocolate ginger biscuits. Wonderful combination of chocolate and ginger.
It does sound good.
Those look really good.
Mm-hmm. It looks like we have another item from Waitrose. Sweet and crunchy 10 all butter chocolate Viennese sandwich fingers. Okay, so I do see it's a sandwich there with a little cream in the center.
I'm glad you're sitting down for this.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. We just did a video.
Now I'm really kicking myself for doing the After 8 video.
This is a After 8, the collection. We have dark peppermint and orange flavor fondant.
Oh, that looks so good.
Dark chocolate and peppermint. Dark peppermint crisp. Dark peppermint fondant. And milk chocolate and peppermint. And these
that could be a video all on its own. Look at all those different flavors.
all look fantastic.
Yeah, definitely never seen that before.
And we just recorded an After 8 video. This looks fantastic. Glad you're sitting down for that. Okay. We have 2 remaining items.
Mars Raspberry Smash flavor. There you go. I know we've tried a regular Mars bar, and now I've already forgotten. It's like one of our chocolate bars, but not the Mars bar. It's
Like the Three Musketeers? Or?
possibly, yeah.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see when we get into it.
You
I'll
love
have to look it up.
Yeah, you do love chocolate and raspberry. Here we have Hill biscuits, chocolate creams.
And I know Richard has sent us other Hill biscuits, so I'm thinking that's probably going to be another video of other flavors. They don't have the chocolate biscuit, but they look like more of a vanilla type biscuit with different flavored creams inside. So
Yes.
that'll be a fun one to do.
Yes, these are vegan approved chocolate flavored cream sandwich biscuits. I'm sure we will enjoy these. Richard, thank you. This is stimulation overload.
All right, so do you want to try something?
You know what? do I ever say no? Yeah, but the problem is what?
Yeah, that's the question. I'm trying to think, okay, a lot of these we have identified to pair with other things that we've already received and want to do videos on. So I'm trying to look for something that could be on its own. Like maybe the
You want to try
Waitrose
these
ginger?
wonderful looking
Dark chocolate
Waitrose
ginger?
dark chocolate ginger biscuits.
Does that sound good to you? Unless
Yes.
you spotted something else. Or if you want to do these tasties, coconut rings.
Put me on the spot like that. I leave it up to you. Do you want to try the coconut rings or do you want to
We
try
can do the coconut.
Okay. That is a very generous size biscuit tube. Package of biscuits. Okay, I'm looking for the open here. You got me paranoid now about the open here. I'm not seeing it. So
I'm not either.
I'll risk it.
That one opened pretty easily.
So the scent of coconut. Now, I think the first one's broken. I'd be happy to have that.
I can take the broken one.
Give me the broken one.
I've got it.
You're making me feel guilty.
Getting crumbs all over.
Little crumbs of joy. Ah, something about that smell.
Smells like coconut.
Love it. Mmm. Did you ever have Oro wheat cookies when you were a kid?
I don't think so. I mean, I know the brand, but I don't remember them having cookies.
These have the scent and the taste of these coconut cookies I remember as a kid by Oro wheat. And they were so good. And yeah, this takes me back. Wow. Thank you, Richard. These are fantastic.
Yeah, and I even don't mind these because, again, they don't have that coconut texture to them. It's just the flavor.
Mm-hmm. Enjoy the flavor, just not the real coconut texture.
Mm-hmm.
Like me with oranges. I like the flavor, I just don't like stringy bits.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go good with coffee, tea.
I just can't get over the size of the package on this one.
Oh yeah, this is good.
All right.
Yeah, that takes me back. You don't remember Oro wheat cookies?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I always remember Oro wheat more as bread.
Yeah,
It's a bread brand.
Do you remember as a kid? Occasionally we would get boxes of Oro wheat cookies, things like there were sugar cookies, fudge, oatmeal, chocolate chip, and my favorites were the chocolate chip, and probably number one was the coconut. And that just tastes just like it. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. So again, we have a lot of items here to try.
Yes.
So thanks again, Richard, for all these lovely treats. Look forward to trying more of them.
Yes, thank you.
So if you like food reactions, food unboxings like this, and food tastings, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified when we publish a new video. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.